Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,995, showing 155,000 original miles. This 2WD long bed model is powered by a 5.7L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering dependable performance and smooth drivability. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the truck presents a clean and cohesive appearance. This is a two-owner vehicle that has clearly been cared for over the years. It was professionally repainted in 2014, and the body and frame remain rust-free. The original interior has been preserved in great condition, reflecting careful ownership. Recent maintenance and upgrades add to its appeal, including replaced front and rear brake systems, a new AC compressor installed in 2022, a new power steering pump in 2024, and a new battery in 2024. The truck runs and drives great. It starts right up, shifts smoothly through the automatic transmission, and the air conditioning blows cold.
Number 2.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, comes with 187,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a tan exterior and powered by a gasoline engine, this 4x4 truck has had 3 owners since new. According to the current owner, the truck is rust-free and remains in impressive condition for its age. The interior is described as being in mint condition, with the only notable flaw being a sagging headliner. It runs and drives great, and the 4-wheel drive system functions exactly as it should. It was reported that the 350 V8 engine was replaced and has approximately 2,000 miles on it, adding to the truck's strong mechanical appeal. Aside from a dent on the passenger side, this Chevrolet 2500 presents itself exceptionally well for a 37-year-old vehicle.
Number 3.
1992 Ford F150, price $9,000, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a tan exterior paired with a matching tan interior, giving the truck a clean and classic look. The truck is powered by a built 302 engine. While the exact internal modifications are unknown, it is fitted with a fairly aggressive camshaft that delivers a strong, choppy idle. It also has long tube headers, contributing to improved performance and a more powerful exhaust note. Several components have recently been replaced, including a new alternator, new starter, new water pump, and fresh front brake pads.
The transmission has been fully rebuilt and has less than 1,000 miles on it.
The engine has approximately 3,000 miles since its build, while the chassis shows just over 100,000 miles.
Number 4.
1992 Ford F150, price $7,500, equipped with an automatic transmission. This gasoline-powered pickup features a sleek black exterior paired with a clean gray interior, offering a classic and timeless look. This particular T100 comes with a clean Texas title and has been carefully cared for throughout its life. With 242,000 miles on the odometer, which may increase slightly as it is still occasionally driven, the truck continues to run strong and perform reliably. The air conditioning system blows cold, adding comfort to its solid driving experience. Overall, this 1998 Toyota T100 stands as a great example of classic Toyota reliability, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a sturdy, trustworthy truck that is ready to keep going for years to come.
Number 5.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,800, well-maintained single-cab 4x4 that remains in strong running condition. This old body-style Chevy has 200,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The truck features a green exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless look. According to the owner, the truck runs at 100%, with the engine and transmission performing exactly as they should. It starts right up, drives strong, and the 4x4 system operates properly.
The electrical components are also in good working order.
This is a solid, dependable pickup that's ready to continue working or cruising without issue. The vehicle comes with a clean Minnesota title in hand, making the transaction straightforward.
Number 6.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, powered by a strong 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD drivetrain. It has 129,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives great, offering reliable performance for daily use or light-duty work. Finished in black with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck presents well both inside and out. It has received recent maintenance, including a new radiator and lines, new spark plugs and wires, a new air filter, and a starter that was replaced last year, ensuring dependable operation. Additional features include a Kenwood touchscreen stereo system with a subwoofer for enhanced audio, a properly functioning air conditioning system, a tow package for hauling needs, and a tonneau bed cover for added utility and protection.
Number 7. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,800, solid and dependable full-size pickup powered by a 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This 2WD truck has 223,000 miles and continues to run strong, offering reliable performance for everyday driving or light-duty tasks. Finished in a clean silver exterior with a gray interior, it presents well both inside and out. The cabin features comfortable leather seating accented by wood grain trim, giving the interior a more refined and upscale feel. As a gasoline-powered truck, it delivers smooth power and classic V8 capability. Overall, this Sierra 1500 combines durability, comfort, and timeless styling, making it a practical and appealing option for anyone seeking a dependable pickup. Number 8.
1985 Dodge D150, price $6,500, well-maintained classic pickup powered by a 318 CI gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 121,000 miles on the odometer, though the mileage will continue to increase as it is currently used as a daily driver. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a striking red interior, giving it a timeless and eye-catching appearance. This D150 is equipped with a brand new 4-barrel intake, a rebuilt 4-barrel carburetor, and a new CompCams camshaft that comes with the setup, enhancing its overall performance and drivability.
With its solid mechanical upgrades and classic styling, this truck offers a great combination of reliability and vintage appeal. Number 9.
1987 Ford Ranger, price $5,000, clean and well-maintained example with only 77,000 original miles. Finished in black and equipped with a manual transmission, this 2WD truck offers a classic driving experience that reflects its era. This particular Ranger runs and drives great, starting up easily and performing reliably on the road. It features manual steering, which was common for this year-end model, adding to its authentic, old-school feel. The truck remains solid throughout, with a strong body and frame, and the bed is in good condition. Inside, the interior is clean and original, with the dash, seats, and flooring all well preserved for its age. The tires are in good shape, making it ready for daily use or as a dependable classic pickup.
Number 10.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000, powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 188,000 miles. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this gasoline truck comes with a clean and clear title. It will need to be towed, as it is not currently roadworthy. While it does start, run, drive, and stop, it requires a tune-up, exhaust work, front-end repairs, and a general inspection. The bed is in decent condition, though the rest of the body shows rust, but it still has solid bones for a project. The engine runs rough, and the gas tank leaks at the seam when filled over halfway. There is no heat due to a blocked heater hose. It includes one new tire, a new Y-pipe, and some extra parts.
The interior is decent for its age and features a working aftermarket stereo.